See, you don't have to go to the Chinese restaurant to get Chinese, you know. That is it.
Globalist interactions, or you can order straight from King and Ali. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What of them? Chatting for chattings.
Yes, guys, look at this. And I know you're seeing a brand new sauce here. Yes, this is the sweet and sour sauce, and we're going to use it on some wings. So yes, guys.
So right now, I'm going to get down with the seasoning of the wings. And remember to season from high so it's evenly spread.
Mother seasoning, some salt and pepper.
And now some onion and garlic powder.
Yes, guys.
And we'll give this a toss.
You know the vibe.
Alright, so I'll allow this to rest.
To marinate, guys, we're going to allow this to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Or you can marinate for however long you have. So, that is it, right?
Alright, guys, so now we're going to season the flour with our bread in. So we're going to add some salt and pepper, same way.
Yes, guys.
Some garlic and onion powder.
Just the same, because remember the sweet and sour already have that flavor base that we want, so we don't need to use no heavy seasoning to take away from that, right?
With a toss. Alright, so we're going to make this one rest for 5 to 10 minutes.
I will
and get on with the frying of the breadfruit.
Let's go. Yes, guys, get on with the frying of the breadfruit. Perfect, right? Remember, we're going to fry this to achieve nice and golden brown on each side. So we're catching you guys back again when we're giving this a turn. Yes, guys. It's that time to give this a turn. Look at that. Nice and golden like how we want it. So the next time you guys see us, it's removal time. So forward again.
Yes, guys, it's that time now. Removal time.
Nice and golden. So we're gonna catch you back when we get the wings on the road. So forward.
Yes, guys, so now we're gonna bread the chicken.
Yes, it's been an hour since the marination, so we're just going to bread and get on with the frying.
All at first. That's about it. So now we'll get on with the frying. Forward.
One go. Look at that, guys. Remember, lay away so you don't have no oil burn, right? And guys, we want this nice and golden. Everything nice and golden. So I'll catch you guys again when we're giving this a turn. So forward.
Yes, guys, about that time, so I'll give them a turn.
Look at that. Nice and golden. So the next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time. So forward again. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice and golden like how we want it. So we're going to remove this and then get on with the sauce, you know.
Like that. Beautiful.
Nice and golden, right?
And when you catch it, the next time when you see it, sauce we have sauce up. So forward.
So forward.
Yes,
guys. Look at that sweet and sour sauce. Just take a moment to admire the color and tell me. Yeah, just tell me. That looking so lovely, guys.
And this don't need no help, guys.
Add back the wings.
Sauce now.
Yes, guys.
And give them a constant rotation.
To absorb that color and that flavor. Yes, guys. Look at that coming together nicely, right? See, you don't have to go to the Chinese restaurant to get Chinese, you know. That is it.
Globalist interactions, or you can order straight from King and Ali.
Yes, guys. So we're catching on again when we remove this and get on with the plating or so forward. Yes guys, so this is it. Yes, a rotation so you can see that sweet and sour wings. Yes guys, look at that. Remember, you can get the sauces, just DM us. No need to kill up yourself over the Chinese on a Sunday. You don't know the vibe. Globalist Interaction JA, we've got you right. Remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. And if you're not yet following our business page, please do so. That's Globalist Interaction JA, no space. I'll put it on the screen. So yes guys, we've come to the end of this video. So
bang, bang, boom.
we're out.